Hello.
Yes, yes, tell me, just a minute.
Yeah, I did pick list thing, and I wanted to know one thing
Yes, yes, tell me. Please
about
discuss about.
what is legend pick list. Yeah, I'll share the screen as it's not a big doubt. And you told me to get the other login ID. This Manika was saying that I will add the details if you want. So what exactly you want, you let me know so that I can put add that
So you're telling that person give the permission of the pick list. Permission
pick list.
pick list pick list center. Going to the pick list center.
Pick list center. What is legacy pick list ID? What is that?
Legacy means previously whatever you have taken now that is always right. So
Okay.
the version it changes per 3 months. So
Mm-hmm.
suppose before 1 year ago you were creating any pick list. So that
Mm-hmm.
also legacy pick list means old version.
Okay. But that's it. Actually, I created this. I will show you. I created Deloitte
Yes.
marital status file. This one. This was a parent pick list, and under which I created.
No, just a minute. Uh,
Yeah,
uh,
this one.
just okay. Yeah, you show again what can you do. See, I am asking in a pick list, you again create again the pick list. Why you are not creating the pick list? Open the delete marital status, whatever you are creating. Open. No, no, I am not asking
Yeah,
that.
I got it. I got it.
You just open whatever you are creating previously, okay? Just open that screen.
This one.
And then double click on it, active, double click on it. One, two. See, you have nothing. You have nothing in a defined desert marital status. You have to define a married, unmarried, whatever the scenario.
Okay.
So that's thing also I am giving training now. Why you are not maintaining that part? Again, going and maintain the option plus and is there.
Okay. Okay. I got that.
You maintain a marital status male, female, or like single, whatever it
Okay.
is.
This is fine. I'll do that. Yes. There's nothing to add in this.
Nothing. Find that. It's now save.
Now I got. I'll do that. I'll do it again. Yeah. And add one more.
Anything. Anything you just add.
Okay. Under this parent pick list, this is how I can create. I got that now.
Yes. Yes. Now save.
Active.
Now save. See. So now that is reflected. In a parents, you have to maintain the
Okay. Under parent, I have to maintain. Fine. I
yes.
got that. Because I was creating different parent pick list for same one
Yes.
marital status. I was creating different parent pick list only.
Yes.
Fine.
So now we are starting a different topic. Just stop sharing right now.
Okay, I'll do that.
Just share my screen. We have completed. So tomorrow or day after tomorrow there is your classes. So maybe I am planning tomorrow take classes. Okay, so ready for that.
Yes. Tomorrow there will be class.
Yes, 2 to 3.
Okay.
Degree is completed now. HRIS. So sometime what happen now? You want to change the password. Okay. So how I am going to change the password? See, you never change your password right now because your password is given to everyone. So only you can see how you are changing your password.
Okay.
Let's see. So
You
that is
told
a,
me.
yes, tell me.
You told me on the in the first class
Yes,
itself.
yes, fast here. That is a one type of setting, but this is a one type of
Okay.
going by the path. Okay, reset user password by the using the setting, resetting user password. So open my screen SAP SuccessFactors. So resetting user password. So I am going for the resetting. See, reset user account, user password.
Okay.
See, so I can see which name. Suppose I am searching my username. That is demo 7. Demo 7. See, this is my user ID. So whenever I click now, so that password and user everything will change. So I'm not interested to change, but there is an option, okay? Or you can going for this reset user password also. Reset user password. See, reset user password. So you can change your account also. You can change your password also. So this is here. So there is one option is given. Reset individual user and password. So you can choose only individual. Suppose my user ID is demo. So I just click on it. I just going for the searching option. See, whenever I am reset now, the password is reset. So I am not interested to reset because whenever I'm going to the reset password now, whatever your current password there should be changes. So that's why I am not interested to reset password. So have you understand how do I can change my reset user ID and user password?
Hmm.
This is your first name, last name. You can search a job username like that. So you can type your new user ID password, and now you are going to the reset password. So have it here how I can change reset password and everything.
Okay.
So what do you mean by manage password policy? Okay. So what do you mean by manage password policy? See, password policy is a huge chapter. Okay. So it's a part of the RBP role based permission. See, there is n number of grouping I am saying now. Different
Okay.
permission group having a different group. Suppose you are doing the hiring group. So you have only the permission of the hiring group. You are hiring whatever the activities. Someone
Okay.
the time management. So only time management related activities is there. Someone having the activity of a payroll, so that user group is only done the payroll activity. So
Okay.
this is also part of the only user ID and password related activity. Means there, n number of department who can take care of the admin department. Because whenever you are creating, any user ID and password, that is a which department? Admin department. Am I right? Because
Yes.
suppose you are joining in a TCS, okay? So TCS also from the day one, the admin team department can contact you. Hey Megha, can you give your details so we can create a user ID password? So these things are also done by the admin department. So as HR person, we should also know. Yes or no?
Yes.
Ah. So how I can know? So now going for the manage. Okay, type manage external password policy. Just go and type manage external password. Manage external.
Manage external password.
You just not done also.
Yeah, I'm noting it.
Why this is not manual testing? Manuals. Right. It's- Okay, just typing simply password policy. Password policy. Let's see. Yes, password and login policy setting. See, sometime now this is a latest version. Okay, so whatever I'm entering that is oldest version. So this path may be changes for the latest one. So I just
Mm.
mentioned like this:
Okay.
password and login policy setting. Just note down password and login policy setting. See,
I'm logging.
setting given na password and login policy setting. This is apply for all people. So
Okay.
so hmm. So my question is very easy. Why I need? Why I need to change the password? Why? Because sometimes what happen na company in there is n number of scenarios going. Suppose I am giving you the user ID mega, okay, that is user ID 70 and password
Okay.
XYZ whatever.
Mm.
But after 1 to 2 months or 1 to 2 years, you leave that company. So
Mm.
can I again create a user ID behalf of who joining for you? No, that is not possible because whenever you're buying SAP ECC also server that is around 1 lakh something, and whenever you're buying around success factor login only one ID that is around 10 lakh.
Mm.
So again I am not interested to invest 10 lakh because
Uh-huh.
your user ID that is safe, but I can change the password and give it to the new employee who is joining behaving working. Yes or no?
Okay. Yes. Yes.
See, so I am asking a simple question why I am doing that? Because you know my user and password. So whenever you
Okay.
join any others company, suppose you are now employee of TCS, but some period of time you are joining in my rivals company. Okay, that is
Okay.
Wipro. So you can
Okay.
again definitely log in and show whatever I am doing in a Wipro company. So that is bad ethics. So that's why I can change your password. User ID may be same, nothing a big deal, but I can change your password. So have you understand why I am changing the password? Why I am creating the policy
Uh-huh.
setting?
Okay. Yes. Yes. I got that. Yeah.
So see,
But password only will not help now. If I see if I am an employee and I am going to join Wipro and I can change my password before
no,
joining.
no,
So
no, no. That is a wrong concept. Password
I
is
know that
definitely
is wrong, but this illegal thing can happen.
see anything can be happen. That is true. But the fact is that user ID and password that is done by the which department? Admin department. Okay.
Okay.
आज अच्छा you are stepping it now how to creating a user ID, how to creating password, how to change the password. So that's why I am giving the training on password and login policy because you don't know whenever you're joining any company, this is impossible. So what happened now? There is nothing one type of separate department admin. Maybe some location in TCS they having a different admin department, but some location they need the HR guy who is expert in admin also. So that's why I am giving the training. Have you understood the concept?
Yes.
So see, what is the first? So enter the at least six minimum length and maximum length. Okay, minimum six. So password must be contain at least two kind of following character, numerical character definitely there, and some special character, upper character also there. Okay, enter a number that is larger than zero in a maximum successive pair attempt. Okay, so what do you mean by maximum success? Maximum successive pair rolling. Any idea? What do you mean maximum successive pair login attempt?
No.
See,
This is
suppose, yes, tell me. Whatever you
two
want.
users working together.
Yes, tell me.
There can be two, three users working together on the same login.
I am not asking the permission.
Then
I am asking the concept. I I just zoom it. Have you seen? There is some statement is written. maximum failed login attempts. What do you mean?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Failed login. Yes, yes. User can log in. At times it can happen. A user may type wrong password. So how much failed login
Yes,
attempts are allowed?
perfect. Whenever you log in now with the wrong
Right.
password, okay, means
Yeah.
incorrect password, so there is a limit is there. One, two,
Yes.
three, four. Suppose you exceed the maximum limits. That is three to you just exceed three to three times.
Okay.
So the
Mm.
1 day or 2 day the successful user ID, maybe your login is locked. Have you used internet banking, SBI or like others?
Yes, yes, yes. It happens in
Have you
internet
seen
banking.
yeah whenever you attempt to fail three times, so the whole day the user ID is blocked. Yes or
Okay.
no?
Yes, yes.
So see entire number of between 1 to 65 maximum age of days period. Okay. So my first question, what is the minimum length? So you can take the minimum length too. That you said not a big deal. Maximum 18.
Okay.
So minimum password age in a day. Maximum password age in a day. Means minus one means suppose your maximum duration of this user ID is how many days? It was 6 months. Six
Okay.
months it's 180 days. So minus one day because at the time the
Right.
179 days. 180 days minus one. Before one day, there is some pop-up message is gone. Hey, please change your password today. Tomorrow your password date is expiry or whatever the scenario. So this is your minus one. Have you understood the concept?
Yes, yes.
So maximum that is zero means you can do in unlimited time login. There is nothing a big deal. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, See, case sensitive. There is some. Have you know what doing the case sensitive?
Yes.
Okay.
Case sensitive means we can't use uppercase. Only lowercase will be allowed. Or means no, 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 no. Whatever case has been used during the creating password, that case only will be used while we log in again.
Yes.
Means the case that is case sensitive. This is normally in Gmail IDs or anything
Yes, yes.
anywhere.
Gmail ID they ask.
Normally.
Email ID and other also they ask.
Yes.
Okay. So this
Yes.
see. So password cannot contain any of the following information, first and last name and username. So there is one or two option is given. Suppose your
Yes.
first name is Megha and you are typing as same as your
Yes.
password Megha. So what's the demerit? Suppose
Sorry.
I am asking that your username is also Megha and password also same Megha. So what is the issue you are facing?
Yeah. Then
Yes.
password can be easily tracked by the other person. Means
Yeah, checking. Have you know ethical
yes,
hackers?
safety issues will be
Yeah,
there.
so
Of course, my name or like my email ID is
password
known
is
to
same.
everyone,
Yes,
so
yes.
it can be
So,
same.
so never will give me user ID of your password or otherwise
Yes.
it
Yes.
it may be hacked. Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the second option? Second
Numeric
option,
cal.
numeric. So see, there is also one option is important that is tick. Tick means that is updated one. If the option
Okay.
is not checked, uppercase and lowercase character will be considered as one kind of character. Just a
Yes. Yes.
condition. Okay.
Yes.
This okay. User ID password and user ID never give your password.
Okay. Okay.
History policy reject password that identify recently used password. Please enter a number between 2 to 10. So the history of policy should be rejected. Why? Because suppose you are changing recently. Whenever you're changing recently, na, so at that time history policy or user ID and password policy is not given to you because you have recently changed. Now why this user ID and policy that is applicable to. Okay.
Okay.
See, there is option is given. So how I can reset a user and password? Allow user to reset a password providing the email address. So there is also one option is given, but I cannot do because it's not giving a permission to change any kind of user and password. So whenever you tick na allow to reset password, so there is at a time one email ID is pop up. So I can type email ID about you. Suppose you forget na your user and password. The next day, one link is given by the success factor team or success factor consultant. Hey Mega, Please you again reset your password and remember. Yes or no? That is that is also happening in a Facebook now. Whenever you
Yes.
are yes, whenever you are trying to login attempt now, at that time Facebook also send an email ID to reset your password. So that is the same concept in user ID password policy. Am I right?
Yes.
So this is also set password policy. So everything is given. You just see and activate. So
Okay.
are you
Okay.
clear this part? Because this part
Yes.
is see minimum length it should be 8, maximum 8. So maximum fair attempt that person taken 5. But in a demo system there is nothing 5 10. You can take unlimited.
Yeah.
So you can also send your email ID after the reset password. So you just active your case sensitivity if required. Mixed case also required if this will active. User also require non-alphabetical character. And also welcome password and reset email ID also is there. So what is the welcome password and reset password? What do you mean by welcome password?
Welcome password must be the first password. When you take or buy a server, there must
Yes.
be one password given to you, which is a welcome password, and we
Okay.
can reset as per our needs. So, like there was a password given to me, but I changed it to my password. So this was resetting password.
Ah, that is correct. What you are saying that is absolutely correct. The concept is very easy. Whenever you join a company now, company
Okay.
send a welcome email ID password. Okay, means welcome kit. It's one type of
Mm.
mail. That is one type of written welcome to this is Mega. Everything is given and there is a link is given. You just typing your name, you just typing your email ID, then you create a username password. Am I right?
Okay. Yes. Yes.
So nothing. That's not only.
Mm.
That you reset. So now we are coming to the next thing.
Yes.
Just a minute. Anything you want to ask?
No. No.
So now going for the next step, see it's most important. How to update? Have you updated mobile or laptop regular basis? Mr.
Uh, no, update as in yes, I update some if some advanced version is there or if it required, I update my laptop.
Definitely, definitely. Not only laptop, mobile also. There is
Yes.
update is pop up on your screen, mobile or laptop. So you go and update it. So in a laptop also there is one option is the update center. I think this option also in your laptop.
Yes.
So
Yes.
I just update, check for update. Okay. So I can check. Suppose I'm going to check an update. So there is n number of update is pending. But definitely that thing is reflected on your screen. Have you seen my screen now? How I can go into the updated.
Yes.
So that is the same concept also reflected in a SAP SuccessFactors screen. Okay. So in SAP
Okay.
SuccessFactors screen, we just want to change how the update center. So there is separate one as update center. I'm going for the home screen. Okay. And going for my my own module that is update, it is admin center. Whenever I'm going for my admin center means this is for employee center module, that is known as admin center. Have you seen admin center?
Yes.
Which one? This one.
That three four.
Yes, that one. So in a
The
admin
fourth
center
from
there
down.
is
Yeah.
n number of operator cushion to be. See, this is a demo system.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a demo system, but still you can see. So how I can see by the help of this one, village center.
Yeah.
By the help of the village center. Okay. Have you seen? So see more. So what do you mean by see more? Whenever I'm going to the see more, it is n number of videos are there. Sorry, n number of pages. Have you understood the pages? Means updates.
Yes.
So so there is n number of updates are there. So I just open the update center and update. Yes or
Yeah.
no? See. So this is a previously this is maintained in a 2019. Okay.
Okay.
N number of there. Suppose I need to see this is the update center.
Update center. Admin center. You went inside update admin
Yes,
center,
yes,
no?
yes. Whenever I'm going in admin center, there is one option is there. Update center or delete center. Then I can find out my update. See, this is a update still pending. Okay. So update center having some different modules. Suppose you are working a payroll, so you can see the payroll module. I am employee center performance. Every module having the every. So I am asking only for the employee center. Okay. So here is also one given the that is time profile object effective dated. So how I can update? So there is one option is update now. So I am click on it update now. So now it should be updated within 2 to 3 minutes. So before going for the updated, you have to see the video. There is nothing option for the see the video. So I just update later. Okay. Why this is not showing? So suppose I am going for the old model and I can see this is a recommendation means this is you have to done that update because that is most important means you have to recommend
Okay.
that and optional means that is not requirement if you can update that is fine otherwise no, but this is most important because I am going for the talent intelligence hub so it's a part of the recruitment onboarding module so there is also no video is there I don't know the video is not given to you but you can see a video like how the update center is work. Okay, but there is nothing given the video, so you cannot understand the concept. Why this using center is important and why it's. Suppose I am sending Impress Center National ID. Let's see. There is nothing video is there. So whenever I am going for the update now, so that should be updated. Are you here updated? National ID? Yes. Can I do or not? What can you want, Megan?
Yeah, yeah, you tell me.
Yeah. So I just yes. So your system has been updated. So like that,
Yes,
the
yes.
system is password. So I can do only one thing. So whatever you're pending updated, you can do from your end and updated everything that is also necessary or otherwise leave. But try to at
Yes.
least update one or two. Okay. So this is
Okay.
the
Okay.
update center. So have you understood the concept of a update center?
Yes, yes.
So this is most important part. Okay. So you have to understand the concept of update center.
Okay.
So there are two type of update center. Okay, one is universal, one is
And one is
optional.
optional. So
Optional
universal
means yeah,
and universal.
universal means it's created for the everyone, every country. It means it's all created to the common for update every country in this world. Means everyone can getting these features and optional feature that is maintained only specific country wise. Like in
Okay.
India, I have implement GST configuration, so that is only for the GST.
Okay.
And I am maintaining now that is national ID. That is for which country? India. National ID information. Now I am updating now. So
Yes, yes.
that is which company?
For India.
Perfect. That is for India. So like that you have to update. So have you
Okay.
understand the concept? Universal update and optional update.
Optional is optional, like country specific,
Country
like
specific.
India.
Yes. Country specific.
India has a GST on taxation of India. Like, okay. So why is it optional? If it is countries, country we have to update. Why not this GST thing and taxation of India?
Yes. See. So GST configuration only for India, na? So it's a optional features.
Okay.
Okay. So, see, maybe after 2 to 3 years before they given the GST features in such sector, otherwise they are given right now within 1 to 2 months. That is also possible. But
Okay.
definitely they are given. Okay, don't worry about this one.
Yes.
So now moving for the next part. Okay. So how I can going for the update? There is some option are given. This is the modify the last. What is the feature? Everything is given. Whatever you want to update now, you can see the changes. The update it can be only possible if you can have the SAP
SAP
user.
ID.
Means you can have only a, see this is your demo system. So whatever you are giving the update that is saved automatically because it's a demo
Okay.
system. But when we join a company now that is not a demo system. So what
Okay.
happened at that time you have to log in your SAP user ID and password. Then you should update successfully. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
So now going for the next step. So today we have discussed the most important part, that is workflow. So what do you mean by workflows? See, workflow means, suppose I can give one example. Suppose X employee can take holiday, okay, and Y employee, who is the manager of that A employee, so
Okay,
that
okay.
person can approve. Suppose you are my junior, okay, you are working under me, so you want
Hmm.
to take holiday, so you ask me, sir, can you take holiday?
Okay.
So I can just wait for a minute. Okay, so just apply from your end. I can see what can I do. So you can
Okay.
apply your leave on a portal. Then I can see and I can update it. Suppose I need not you, so definitely I can approve. Please, Mega, go ahead. Whatever the scenario. Suppose I need your help in a project, so I definitely reject that approval. So how the approval is going on, that is only workflow. So it's the most
Okay.
important of your option.
Okay. Role-based permission.
Yes. So role-based permission also the part of the workflow. Am I right?
Okay. Yes, yes.
So workflow is most important, and suppose you don't understand the concept of workflow, and it's very, difficult for you. So
Okay.
always maintain the workflow. So I am
Hmm.
given one scenario. Suppose Prasant to take holiday, but I am the manager Vishali, so I can only approve. Okay. So more information you have okay. I can give you the book, yes or no, or I have not give any book.
No, this thing you have given me. All these notes you have given me.
Okay. So today, please ask me. I can send you all the book. So have you seen okay. Have you seen this book? That is a SAP book. Okay. I think I can give you. I have not. I can share you know this type of book or this type of script. I think second or third class. I think so. Permission to given the admin center. How have you? Okay. Okay. Don't worry. I can send you today. Okay. So this is your home center. SAP. How the home center is look. It's very beautiful. Okay. Everything is given in a home center. Admin alert. So we are learning today workflow. Let's see workflow is there. Calibration is there. Proxy management. Workflow. Where is the workflow? Hmm, the workflow is going. Hmm. SAP SuccessFactors workflow. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the workflow is how going on. I just downloaded that book for you. Okay. Why is that book also there on desktop? So, yeah. I think which book is there? Okay, not there. I just opened that book. Okay. Have you seen workflow book? Where is the work? Yes. This one workflow. So I just opened a book. See, today you just asked me, I can send you the old books. Okay, this is
Yes,
SAP.
yes. This all books you have downloaded from Google.
No, that is SAP.com.
Okay.
Some book also in Google, some book also SAP.
So you have got access to SAP books because you have taken. Are you a member of that or some?
Yes,
Is it
yes, I'm a member of SAP. So this is how the setup you can do it. See how I am setting the.
Yes, yes. Manage workflow. Try. Can I try manage workflow?
Manage work. No, no, just a minute. I can give you. Let me start. See,
Yeah.
see. So workflow is a part of the manage data or manage organization. Org manage. Sorry, I forgot. So it's a part of the which part? Manage data or org job pay structure. Which part?
Yes.
This is a part of the org job pay structure. Maybe you going for the manage data, but there is no option is given to workflow in a manage data. So you are going by the which part? Org job pay structure. You are going
Paste.
by the org job pay structure.
Yes.
Org job pay structure. So have you understand the concept?
Yes.
So this is the which type of object? It's a foundation object. This is a foundation object. So I am going to create a workflow. See, I can give you the theoretical part today because workflow is very complicated. Okay. So I am creating a workflow. Suppose ABC termination whatever workflow. So whenever I am creating workflow, so I can type workflow. What is my workflow? XYZ XYZ. So there is one step is given. So whom I can give the approval. So in a book also given the same. So who is the approval? You just read it, then I can explain what you mean by approval. Please read
Okay.
it, Mega. Hmm.
Who
Please read.
approve? Yeah,
Tell
yeah.
me. Tell me.
Yes, yes, I'm reading.
Hmm.
Who approve and send back post comments and reject workflows. If admins have enabled relevant features, they can also assign workflow requests to themselves or delegate workflows or
So what do you
contributors.
mean? See, what do you mean by approval means whenever see you are joining in a TCS in a
Okay.
junior position and I am your seniors. So
Okay.
whatever you are sending now, that is I
Yes.
can see. So I am your approver. Approver may be a senior, okay. Approver may be a manager,
Yes.
maybe a management, maybe anyone. So who can approve? Maybe it's like post a comment or it may be directly rejected.
Okay.
Okay. So who is contributor who can provide the comments that may help that approvers make a decision. Contributor
Okay.
also notify any progress or changes during the entire workflow. So contributors means who is the contributor. So in this scenario, I can so explain. See, so contributor means see approver type. So approver type is always you can take your manager, maybe your manager anyone. So who is the source? So this is your approval step. Okay. Then going for the step two. Okay. So
Mm.
contributor. Just a minute. This is a dynamic role. Okay. This is a see. Step one is given. See dynamic group. So whenever I am going for the approve one na approver, who is the
Yes.
approver means it's maybe anyone who is your manager. Okay. So there is
Okay.
a
Okay.
uh, so a contributor type means you
Yes.
means
Yes.
who applying. So you are applying, so you are the source. That is
Okay.
employee. Okay.
Mhm.
So now CC. CC means whom you can give one type of CC. So you can take you as a CC self. You can also as an initiator, or you can CC given to your HR manager who can also CC. So like
Mm.
that also I can do my workflow. Okay. So workflow is
Okay.
very complicated, so no one can understand how I can do the workflow process.
Mhm.
Okay. So, okay, I can give only one scenario today. So you
Okay.
simple. There is nothing big. So what is the action type? Manage or job pay structure.
Okay.
Just open
Manage or
job pay structures.
job pay structures.
So this part
Okay.
also there is one option is given workflow. Hmm.
Yes. Yes.
See, before I'm going to workflow, I, I am doing something research on it. So what kind of
Right.
research? So I just doing going to the duplicate option. Duplicate means I am creating a new screen. Okay. So in this screen I can see my data. Means see I am going to my employee profile. So employee profile I can see which is my data. Which data I need to see, who is my manager. Am I right? So I just note down who is my manager. See, here is your manager also given. That is Mercy Hooks. Okay.
Messy hoops, yeah.
Yeah. So this is my scenario. You can also search your scenario. So I just
Okay.
maintain the Mercy Hooks. Marcy Mercy Hooks Hooks. So much Mercy Hook. Why I am written this one? Because I can approve by Mercy Hooks. Okay. So that's what's most important. So who is your approver? Mercy Hooks is manager. Okay. Who is approver?
Okay.
So I am creating a workflow. So I am going. So have you seen there is option? Yes, workflow. So I can type anything workflow. Suppose I am type workflow as I can take 1 day leave. 1 day leave.
1 second.
Suppose I can workflow creating that is leave. Only leave.
1 day leave, yeah.
Uh,
Leave.
or what is my leave? That is TCS leave.
Yes,
Because I am
yes.
the TCS employee. So I need a leave. That is I take in a workflow. Copy and paste it. Simple. Nothing complicated. Okay. Why not pasting? Hmm. So this is your also option is given. Remind in a day. Suppose you send to your Mercy Books, okay, as a username or your manager.
Oh,
So you
yeah, yeah.
you also everyday reminder. Okay, I can take holiday in August of 14 because 15 is a holiday, so I can take holiday on 14. So you can one type of reminder in every day. Okay, maybe. Otherwise, there is
Mhm.
nothing concept reminder.
Yes.
Okay. So delegation support is not required alternative workflow. Suppose you are creating others workflow. So that is also interlinked to the TCS leave. So at that time that is interlinked, but there is nothing concept of an alternative workflow. Okay. So everything is fine. So now I am going for the approval. So who is approval? Who can approve me? So there is n number of so I can going for the dynamic role or dynamic group or I am
Okay.
directly going for the position or whatever. So every time I'm going for the dynamic role. So which my role? Suppose I am in a which position? So I am dynamic role. Approval. Why not is showing? So I am going for the position. That is also option. Suppose which my manager who can approve me. So what is that person name? The production manager. So definitely
Okay.
I am going to type in who is the production manager who can also approve me.
Yes,
Have you seen
yes.
production managers there? Production manager. Otherwise, I am directly open that person, production manager, Mercy Hook. How? Again, going for the duplicate screen and typing that person name, Mercy Hook. So there is also code is I can find out that code. I am going for the searching option.
Yeah.
Yes. What is the name? Mercy Hooks. Why this is not showing? Okay, MAS. So it's my mistake. MAS. See, it's a very. So what is the code? M3, okay. So I
Yeah.
just, yeah, I am going and directly going for the lowers and typing M3. M3 or manager, whatever you can type.
Uh-huh.
There is n number of scenario you can upload. But I am uploading my manager only. Okay,
Okay.
nothing. Just a minute. See your second step. So who
Okay.
can apply? So you can say yes, I am apply. So you just saying yes, I am a salesperson who is applying. Okay, and nothing. See, you can apply by your manager who can approve, who is the approver, and contributor means you are. CC means also you can take yourself. See, just a minute. Means approver means your manager, maybe dynamic group, or you can take any role, anything, okay? And going for the contributor, that is yourself. It's a role influencer.
Okay.
Okay. And CC also same thing. Whatever doing here now, CC also same. That is also
Okay.
yourself. That is initiator. That is known as initiator. Okay, CC.
Initiative.
CC means to initiate. So here is an option for the CC, that is initiator. See, where is the option for the initiator? Yes, that is the initiator. Have you seen first one as an employee, second also as an initiator?
Okay. CC type is initiator.
Yes. No, no. Relation to the approval means I am who can approve now, that is
Yeah. Yeah.
initiator.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Hmm. Role also
Okay.
maintain the cell. Here is also same now, role same, everything same. That is employee,
Yes.
that is initiator. Have you seen in the PDF also there? CC
Yes.
role is just self, sorry, self, it was self and it was manager. Sorry, it was employee, last one is a manager. Okay. In a dynamic role, you can maintain manager. So have you understand the concept? How I can contribute, who is the contributor? Okay. So
Yes.
first
Contributor
one,
is self and manager is approver, and contributor is self. Okay. And CC is.
self, CC also self. Sometimes
Oh,
also you can CC take as a HR also. So I maintain the role and here I should mention managers manager. That also option is given.
okay.
So have you clear right now how to I am creating
Yes.
workflow?
Yes. Yes.
So now I can save it. Okay. See. So who is the approver? That is a manager. Who is a
Yes.
okay. Suppose I want to check now, change now, I can change also.
Okay.
Suppose I am see there is one option is given source and target. Okay, who is the source? Who is the target? What do you mean the source and target? Any idea? What do you mean the source and target? See,
No.
it's a role and manager. Okay. What do
Okay.
you mean by source? What do you mean by target? Hmm. Any idea? What do you mean by source and target?
No idea.
See,
Sources. Yeah.
source means it's a very easy. So actually, who you are getting your source? Definitely, you are getting your sources by your manager because
Okay.
whatever is happening with you now, that is your source. So no one asks you, only as a manager. Why that person expect that is source. So what do you mean a target? Target means whenever you are giving to the target to the others. Means it's a manager. Suppose I am giving the permission not only your manager, it is
Okay.
manager. So that is known as target. Source and
Okay.
target, have you understood the concept?
Yes. Yes.
So now going for the home page. Again, I am searching my TCS approval. How? Again going for the manage job. Just a minute. Manage. No, no. Okay. Manage job post. Where is my manage job post? This one. So I am going for the which part? Workflow.
Yes. Yes.
So have you seen? There is one option is given workflow. So now you
Yes.
can search it. What is my workflow? TCS.
Okay.
So TCS leave is my workflow. Yes,
Yes.
that is perfect. Manager given us everything. So how
Mhm.
I can know? that approval is given to that person only by the
Yeah.
taking some leave. Suppose
Okay.
I am taking a leave. How can I taking a leave? Right now. Just a minute. Just a minute. Suppose I am hearing to take one holiday. Okay, so there is one option is given time off. Time off, time off. Have you seen? Yes, time off.
Mm.
I can take a leave. Oh my God, what is happening? Why don't? Why this is going on? I think the time of permission also not given. I don't know why.
Okay.
Employee ID. Um, Request. Time.
Off. Time off.
Time of. Time of means whenever you take a holiday, na, that is mentioning a time of. But
Okay.
I don't know they are.
Mhm.
Suppose I am taking as a Monday holiday. Okay.
Okay. So calendar is updated. Fine.
Yes. Okay. So why this is not giving? I think someone not giving the permission. So that's why that is not taking as since.
Hello.
Yes. Yes. Tell me. Just a minute.
Yeah. Okay. I got that.
Mhm. No, actually, that one, actually, they are not giving the permission of the time management. This is for the employee side. So otherwise, I can see how I am, taking one holiday, and that is how.
Okay. Okay. So time management is not the part of employee central. That's why they have not given
Yes,
permission.
yes, yes. That's why. That's something. Okay, don't worry. I can do something on it.
Okay.
So I just proxy this, my manager, Mary Hooks.
Okay. Fine.
What is I spelling? Mercy Hook.
Marcy hooks. Mary hooks. It's C. You can RC hooks. Okay.
Yes, sorry, sorry. My mistake. See, so I am proxy to whom?
Marcy hooks.
I am still, Mercy Hook. So I am going for the notification. So there is any approval request? Yes. So like that, some approval given to you, but I don't understand why my approval is not given because time management is not given. Na? So that's why that is happening. Otherwise, everything is fine. Mm,
Peter. approval request.
So that is not possible because I have not given the permission that who can
Mm.
use them. So that's why
Okay.
whenever I am taking like anything, okay, okay, don't worry, we can see something. Okay, so have you understand the concept?
Yes, I got that.
Hmm. So please tell me, Monica, man, given the permission of pick list and time management also.
Pick list and time management I need now. I'll ask. Okay.
Saying that person was saying that this is not a cause of you, then you just don't saying
So
anything.
you spoke to her about it?
No, I am not spoke about that thing. I am asking that please give the all permission, but I don't know why that person is not giving the all permission. Actually,
Okay.
whenever I'm calling that person, not receive my phone also. Actually.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. I can also message again that person. So if fine, that's
Okay.
also great. Because
Yes.
previous time also I am telling you, please give me the all permission because it's a demo, na. So everyone understand the every model. Okay, let's see
Mhm.
what happened. You also try once.
Yeah, I'll tell her to give me extra this thing details of pick list and time
Time
management.
management. So have you
Okay.
understand the concept? So have you do
Yeah.
it?
Yeah, I'll try after the class.
Okay, you can try. Otherwise, we should again tomorrow also we can try. Okay, don't worry.
Yes. Tomorrow I'll try.
Hmm. Tomorrow also same timing.
Yeah, I'll try after the class in case if I will having any doubt related to workflow and this thing, then I'll
Yes,
ask him. Yes.
tomorrow classes 2 to 3. You just ask me. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So till now, any doubt you have been facing?
No, I'll do, then I'll ask out.
Yeah,
So,
definitely. Okay.
and
Thank you
please
so much.
share the video. So I
Sure, sure.
actually do
Yes.
with the video if in case I forget anything.
Currently, within a 1 hour, I can send you video. Don't worry. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.